Hey there, this year we're dressing up Santa's boot cookies for Christmas. I also have done these cookies in the traditional red, so I'll leave a link for that in the description. Hey, do you know I also teach online cookie decorating classes? Join me this year and wow Santa with homemade holiday cookies. Following step-by-step video tutorials, you'll learn everything you need to know to make cute cookies just like these and have an unforgettable treat for Santa this year. Find out more details in the description. Anyway, I'm Leslie from Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and let's start these boots by outlining and flooding in the very bottom sole with the black royal icing, and then using our scribe to settle that icing down. And then we can go ahead and pipe the belt at the middle of the cookie. So just pipe a little V here, and then use your scribe to settle it down, and then put the cookie aside to dry for about 10 minutes until it crusts over before coming back in and flooding in the top and bottom part of the boot with the green royal icing. Use your scribe to settle that icing down, and then again set the cookie aside to dry. And once the green icing is crusted over, you can go back in with your white royal icing and flood in the top fluffy part of the shoe. And again, using your scribe to settle that icing down. And then moving back down to the bow, pipe 2 big circles for the bow loops. And then stop squeezing and drag your bow loop to a point. And then let's make the wavy tails. So just make some wavy lines and then flood that in with your piping bag. And once you finish this, set the cookie aside to dry again. And once the bow has had a chance to dry, go ahead and give it a black dot in the center, and then immediately take your yellow icing and make a square around that for your belt loop. And then I have some stiffer white icing, and I'm just making a little zigzag here for the fluff at the bottom of the bow. And I want to add some texture to the top of my boot, so being very careful because my icing is not completely dry, I just put a squiggle of icing down, and I'm using a dampened paintbrush just to tap gently up and down to make a more of a textured, fuzzy look to the icing. And then these boot cookies will be done. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for how to make the red boots. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. I have new cookie tutorials all the time. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays.